No way! You found the recipe for the tibidaba cake? Hold on a second, Roger. I have to find a pen to write it down. What? Candy? Oh, come on. I'll call you back.
Watch out! Candy rain!
Sam, where are all the pens?
Oh, they're in the fridge. They were in the way of my candy stash.
Okay, that's enough. We're making an organizer for all this mess right now. And you will help. A lot.
Hey, my candy! Okay, I'll help. But only in exchange for the legendary tibidaba cake recipe. That's right. I heard you on the phone.
I can't keep anything from you, can I? All right, you've got a deal. What should our organizer look like?
Finally. Oh, my dear tibidaba cake, I will meet you. And I will be able to take a bite or two.
Your passion for sweets is truly remarkable, Sammy.
I know.
And it gave me an idea to make a heart-shaped organizer.
In honor of my love for tibidaba cake?
Yeah, and also because I love our desk. Tidy. I think a frame like this should do the trick. Sammy?
Oh, just a little more. A little bit more. And you and I, dear tibidaba cake, will spend all our time together. Eating candy. And having all the fun in the world.
Aww.
That's beautiful.
Sammy, focus.
Oh, that's right. I'll go get the glue.
In the meantime, I will cut out some paper strips. We're gonna need them to cover the edges.
Here comes the glue, Sue.
Great job. Just what we need to cover up the cardboard cuts. And on the frame, too. Now we need to color everything. I think pink will do just fine. Except I don't think we have any paint left. You don't mind helping out, do you?
You betcha! Sue, that tickles! Put me down! Oh, I've done so much already. You can tell me the recipe.
How can I tell you things I don't know?
You don't? Did you trick me? How could you, Suzanne?
I only know part of the recipe. The rest must be in Roger's notes.
To the notes, then!
Now, we need to make the side wall of our organizer. It's pretty easy.
Sue, I found some frosting for the cake.
Uh-huh. Oh, Sammy, it's paint for our organizer, but thanks for bringing it anyway.
I also brought these thingies here, Sue. I hope you need them.
Sammy, they are great. Thanks, they will make amazing shelves. And here's one more. Awesome! Let's get to the next stage.
I think this thing is supposed to be attached here. Uh-huh. Perfect. Okay, let's test our organizer. Hey, come on. Get inside. Ugh. What kind of organizer is this if you can't even hide candy in it?
Oh, Sammy, come on, we're not done yet. And you should really stop hiding candy in all the wrong places anyway.
Nonsense! It's a perfect place for a candy stash.
If you say so. But don't be surprised when Roger finds it. There's our door. Now you can really hide something in there. Sammy, you have the rest of the parts, right?
Yep, here you go.
Huh? Ooh! Sammy, that's not even close to what I asked for.
You know what? I'll find the recipe for tibidaba cake myself.
Fine, go ahead. And I need to tackle the bottom part of the organizer.
Tibidaba cake recipe testing begins. If my calculations are correct, it should work just fine. Oopsie!
If you bring me paper, I'll tell you everything I know about the recipe, okay?
Here it is, Sue.
Oh, that was fast. Thank you. Now we'll do this. Great. We can put everything together. Okay, I know I had more pieces here. Sammy?
What? I'm here to hear the recipe.
Fine, since I promised. So, first you need to take…
That's it? Hail tibidaba!
You don't say. Moreover, I remember that Roger mentioned a secret ingredient, but I know nothing about it.
A secret ingredient, you say? It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Okay, tell me when you find something.
Do you think cardboard could be that secret ingredient?
I don't think cardboard would make a tasty cake, but it will come in handy for our craft for sure. Like for the drawers. Check this out. We'll put all the pieces together, like this. And you will be able to stash all sorts of little things in there.
Like candy, right? Oh, that sounds good.
It does, but I was thinking more in terms of paper clips and erasers.
What about pearls? Do you think they could be a secret ingredient?
I don't think so. They are more likely to be used as drawer handles. Here we go. Great, our organizer is starting to take its shape.
We still need more storage space, or my candy won't fit in there. Alright, if I was a secret ingredient, where would I hide? Let's see. Oh, what is Sue doing over there? Wait, don't eat my candy without me!
Sammy, I was just kidding. Hey!
Candy is no joke, Susan.
I know, I'm sorry. I just needed this telescope of yours.
You should have just said so. I'm happy to share.
Aww. Thanks, Sammy. That's so sweet of you. Guys, give this video a like if you agree.
Look, Sue, I've made more of these. But why do we need them anyway?
That's why. But what can we do with this side?
Leave it to a pro. Shiver me, Cheddars. My origami skills are too good.
Well, let's leave your origami skills for another craft, okay? And a little bit of decor. Great! Huh? What's all this? Sammy, stop throwing things around!
I was looking for Roger's notes about the secret ingredient.
Why don't you just call him on the phone?
Oh, how come I didn't think of it myself? Okay.
Oh, hi, what's up, Sammy?
Hey, Roger! Tell me about that secret ingredient for the Tibidaba cake.
Sorry, buddy, I'm too busy looking for the end of the rainbow. I'll call you later, okay? Bye.
Whoa, rainbow!
Wow, what a beautiful texture you got, Sammy. We simply have to use it for our organizer.
The desk organizer is the ultimate study buddy. So let's add a cute face to it. Hey, Susie, what do you think about that? Ow!
Huh? Did you say anything? Anyway, thanks for the delivery, girls. And this is where you can put a portrait of your best friend.
What was that? Huh? Is that my face stamped like that?
Haha. Here's a portrait of my best friend. It's perfect.
Oh, you're making me blush.
Now let's make this look neat. We're almost done, friends. All that's left is to glue on a piece of Velcro to keep the organizer's door closed. And we can start filling it up. And done.
Nope. Now it's done. Wow, this organizer turned out to be so cute, and there's so many hearts on it. Wait a minute, the hearts. I got it. The secret ingredient is love.
Oh, I'm so happy we made this today.
organizer's ready, the clutter is cleared, and the cake is done. I'll weed. I can't wait to try it. Yay! Hey, Roger, we made the Tibidaba cake. We even added the secret ingredient, love.
But the secret ingredient was vanilla extract. Run!
Huh?
What's going on? Sam, what's happening?
Frosting's good. Thanks for being with us today, friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel too, so you don't miss new videos we're making for you.
Okay, Roger. After all that, you have to give me the recipe.
I think I've forgotten it already.
What?
La da 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 do 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 la da da dee. Interesting. Getting even more interesting. Okay, enough now. What's going on, Sam? Did you declare war on our stationery?
No, Sue, I want you to marvel at our pet's creations.
You're saying Cookie did it?
Cookie and Fluffy and even Tater Tots.
Yeah, well, their taste is kinda weird.
Until our stationery has a solid fortress, they'll just keep stealing everything.
Fortress? Well, I can't promise to build a fortress, but we can definitely make a good house for our stationery.
Something's coming.
Hey guys! Today we're going to make a real house for all the stationery. These are the parts we prepared.
So far, it doesn't look like a house one would like to live in.
Well, it'll take some time. First, we glue the back wall of the house to the base carefully. Okay. The first wall now. And the second one. Any better?
Wow. I can make out the outlines of the house already, but we need a roof.
We'll get right on it. I prepared the parts we need here.
Sure, or else Cookie would easily crush your cabaret house without a roof.
We just have to be careful here so that the roof and the house become one. There, it worked just great. Time for some interior design. I prepared shelves for our house. Let's glue them.
How will we know how high we should glue the cardboard shelf?
Well, here's a pencil holder for you. What should you do with it?
Draw our portrait?
Sure, as soon as we finish everything here. Look, we put the pencil holder with the stationery on the base.
But there's space left both on top and on the side.
Right, so we'll mark where we'll glue our shelf. And this spot here will perfectly match the pencil holder.
Then I'll go make more holders like this.
Great, Sammy, and I'll glue our first shelf in the meantime.
You mean the first floor ceiling, Sue, don't ya?
Oh, well, yeah, sure, Sam. And this will be the attic floor then.
What's this?
This is, a lobby. All the tenants need to enter someplace, right?
Makes sense. What's with the front part, though? Won't there be a door?
Of course there will. Here.
Then you'll need this.
Right. Cardboard master. So… done!
Good job! The master approves!
Oh, thank you, Sammy. Now we should glue ledges to our door.
What should I do?
Make a hinge for the door. Can you do that?
You bet I can!
The ledges are thin, so it's better to use a small amount of glue here. Easy does it. The front part of the house is ready.
We only need to attach it now. Here you go.
Oh, great, Sammy. You used a pipe and a stick to make a hinge?
Uh-huh.
Let's see how they work. After I glue them right here.
There's no way they don't work. They were made by the master.
Oh, I didn't doubt you, Sammy.
We'll have the best stationary house because I managed the construction.
That's right. Guess what? Our door will have a secret. Look.
It reminds me of something.
It does? Of what?
I'll have to think about it.
Do think.
Oh, I know! We made the marker pen compartment in the same way for our other organizer.
That's right, Sammy. Also, we used this back then. Remember?
Huh. Wasn't part of the draft.
What draft? In a word, we'll use this to make a lock for our house.
Really? This lock doesn't look reliable, Sue.
It's too early to draw conclusions, Sam. We're about to have an awesome clasp here.
It's actually working out just fine. You're right.
Now our stationery is well protected.
Our house is kind of empty.
We'll fix it, Sam. Let's quickly make a compartment with several sections for our pens and pencils.
We'll have so many sections here.
Yeah, so that our house will be in perfect order. Ready?
Oh, I've got so many ideas now. I'm off to create.
Okay, Sammy. In the meantime, I'll continue working on the house. What house can there be without a chimney? I already made it with 4 identical pieces of cardboard, a cutter, and a ruler.
Maybe some presents will go down this chimney for Christmas? Say new marker pens.
Maybe. So, what about those ideas of yours?
Just a sec. First of all, this box. You can put all kind of trifles in it and then stick it in the attic.
Oh.
Second of all, the pencil holders I promised. And a super duper secret compartment.
Wow, it's so cool. Only this part could use some decor.
How could I forget about the decor? I'll go quickly fix it.
It's okay, Sammy. I already prepared everything for the house.
Then I'll add some touches to this part and you'll do the same to the facade.
I'll resort to magic.
Wow, it's so cool, Sue! Wait, will the roof stay just like this without decoration?
Don't worry, Sammy. I didn't forget about the roof.
Check out what I've done!
Great, Sammy, you're right on time. We're about to move the tenants in. We'll put the notebook here. This section will go first. And we'll have erasers living here. Let them settle over here. We'll keep pencils and felt pens in these holders. Oh, they fit just perfectly.
Here's the big compartment! The biggest apartment in the house.
Great. We'll put it in its place.
Don't forget about the glue, Sue. Let it live in the attic.
Okay. And Sharpies will be living here. Awesome! Now our stationery is safe.
Sue, I came up with a tale about our house.
Oh, surprise me.
Once upon a time, in a far-off YouTube land, there lived Sue and Sam, who decided to make a wonderful house for the stationery.
So then what?
The house proved to be so beautiful that all their viewers built the same kind of house for themselves the next day. Whoa, and the world got to be full of marvelous magic houses with stationery.
Great, Sam. Let's hope that your tale will prove to be true and our efforts won't be wasted. We'll know it thanks to your likes and subscriptions.
That's right. Subscribe to our channel, guys.